Welcome everyone to Gorilla Joe's self-defense class. Ha! That's old Greg. Yeah! Now, back to the barbecue. We're putting together a new stainless steel shelf, table, cabinet thing. Like the last one I did, it's from the same company. So you can click that link in the description to check it out, pick up yours. And you saw me build the last one, so you kind of have an idea how these go together. They go together really well. So I'm not gonna film the whole assembly. I'm just gonna get it built and I'll bring you back and then we'll check it out. So let's get this thing built. And just like that, guys, we are done. Now, I will say this one did not take me nearly as long as the last one to build. It is less size-wise, but it does have a cool shelf. We still have the two doors that open up with the middle shelf there. This thing is pretty dang sturdy. Has the leveling legs on it, so you can adjust it to level out where you're at. I will say the coating that was on this one wasn't as bad as the last one I did. This one seemed like it was a little bit easier to peel off, and it didn't go down over a lot of the edges like on the last one did. So much easier to peel off. I will also warn you though, make sure you're careful when you start peeling it off. Some of these panels, I accidentally bent this one because I started peeling really hard on one of those sheets, and the panel kind of bent a little bit, so I had to push it back down. I bent it back out. It all went together fine, but it is pretty dang sturdy and there's tons of room. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this one in my garage and use it as extra storage out there, because I do like the shelving and there's lots of storage in here, or if I'm gonna put it out on my back patio next to the other one, kind of double up on them. But very cool. Thank you so much for sending this out. The link is in the description. This went together super easy. The instructions are really clear. No parts missing, everything fits together nicely. And just make sure you look at the instructions really well, because I did have to take the top off, flip it around, because these screw points were on the front when they should have been on the back. So I had to do that, and I messed up the bottom. I put it in upside down and things weren't fitting together perfectly. So I'm like, what is going on? And I realized I did that wrong. So overall, great. I'm loving the shelf. You have different levels too. You can put a shelf here instead if you want to lower this down for stuff that's up high, or you can put this one up here if you want to put some more on the bottom. This shelf can also be adjusted to a second level on there. Magnetic doors on top and bottom. And old Greg helped me build the whole time, so very handy. So thanks so much for sending this out. The link is in the description if you want to pick one up. They have multiple different ones over on Amazon. Make sure you use my link to help me out, because every time you click that over there and check out my stuff, you know, I get some commissions if you buy it, so it helps out the channel. So thank you so much. We'll decide where we want to put this at, maybe in the garage, maybe outside. We'll figure it out though, and you'll be definitely seeing it more in the future. Thanks for watching everyone, and we'll see you next time.